Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this eye makeup tutorial using the new Colourpop Honey eyeshadow palette. So if you guys want to know how to get this look right here, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Today I'm going to create an eyeshadow makeup tutorial and review featuring the new Colourpop Honey eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. It is beautiful. When I first saw it, I needed to have it, and so I got on the website at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock, whenever it is, and I got it. So before it sells out, I was like, I better have this in my life. I love yellow and I wanted to create an eye makeup tutorial so bad for the longest, and I just needed the right eyeshadow palette, and this is it right here. First, I'm going to apply the P. Louise base in shade 1. So let me just apply a little bit here, just so I can cover the darkness in my eyes because it's been going crazy. I get no sleep whatsoever. So now I'm just going to blend this in, and I'm using this Makeup Shack brush. This is a concealer one. I'm doing one eye on camera and then the other one off camera just to save some time, and then I'll do my face makeup off camera as well. So make sure to check out the description box and everything will be on there if you like the lipstick or anything that I'm using. The first shade that I'm using is called Sweet Spot, which is this one out here. This is a yellow, but it's a little bit brighter than this yellow. So I just want to start with the lighter yellow and then I'll do this one second. So this is going to be all over the crease, and this is going to be a little bit lower than the crease and on the lid. This is a Makeup Shack T11. This is their famous eyeshadow brush that's always out of stock. So if you do see it in stock at the Makeup Shack, make sure you pick it up because it's a must. And first, I'm just going to pack it on the crease. And I start on the outer corner and work my way in. It's so hot, you guys. I do not recommend you guys film in the summer. It's the worst. I might get like a mini AC just for the room. Hopefully one that doesn't make a lot of noise. So far this color is blending out really nicely, and it's very, very pigmented, as you can see. And don't bring it all the way up to the brow bone. Make sure you keep it low. And I like to extend it all the way out. This is definitely worth the $12 that I paid for this palette. Then I'm going to get a smaller brush. This is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH36, and I'm applying the shade Oh Behave, which is right here. And I brought it into the tear duct area too. This is a little bit brighter than the first one, and it's a little bit more warm and yellow. So more of like a mustardy color, I would say. It definitely has more pigment than the first shade, let me tell you. I think I like this one better. That is so cute. And then I'm going to go back to the Sweet Spot shade with the fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend a little bit more. Now I'm going to use the shimmer shade. This is the one right here, and it is called Dandy, and I'm using that with my finger first. So that is how it looks like when you pick it up, and then I'm going to apply it on the lid all the way to the middle part. Wow, I'm obsessed with this color. I'm obsessed with all these colors so far. Like, seriously? I'm so happy I picked this up. This is definitely a must in your collection. If you don't have yellows, definitely pick this one up. I think Colourpop has all the colors. They have a pink, red one, the strawberry one, but I didn't pick that one up. I mean, I should after seeing these shades over here. And then I'm gonna go back with the fluffy brush and just blend that out. And now for the glitter, I'm taking the shade Palooza, which is the one in the middle. Girl, this one is so nice looking. I'm gonna try my finger first. So this is pressed glitter. Look at that. And I'm just putting that a little bit on the lid. This one, don't bring it in all the way to the inner corner, just bring it in slightly. Wow, this made it pop on a whole different level. Look at that. It is a little bit messy, but I don't mind as long as it looks good. Let me just wipe the outside off. And now for the inner corner, I'm going to use the shade Sunburst, which is this one over here in the middle at the inner corner, okay, you guys? So right here. Ooh, it's like a green gold shade. Look at that, you guys. I just can't deal with this. This is perfect on so many levels. I'm really happy with how this look is turning out. I just can't believe how nice it is. And I'm gonna use my Muzzle Big Lancome mascara. And then I'm gonna pop on some falsies. I am not doing a liquid liner, just because it's more of a softer look. So I'm just going to apply this first. The lashes that I'm using today are the Uhhuhhoney lashes in Be Elegant. These go so well with this look, I think, because they are more separated and you can see the eye look. They're not too bulky. And it's just honey. It goes together. Uhhuhhoney lashes, honey. So these two go well, I think, in my opinion. I will link the lashes down below as well. And the glue that I love and I've been loving is the Makeup Shack glue. I'm just going to apply the lash off camera. And then I'll be right back to show you guys the face all together. And then I'm going to do the lower lash line with you guys. I am back with my full face of makeup. This is what it looks like. I am loving the yellow. Look at that. I hope you guys are loving it too. And I have lipstick on my teeth. For the lower lash line, I'm just going into this shade right here, the yellow in the middle. And it is called Oh Behave. So I'm doing that on the lower lash line here. To define it just a little bit, I'm just going to take this brown right here. And it is called Buzzkill. It just needed a little bit of a dark color. And then a little bit here. I'm using the Muzzle Big once again from Lancome. And applying it on the lower lashes. This is such a great mascara for your lower lashes. It's amazing. I'm adding this gloss by Kylie Jenner. This is in the shade Crystal. I am obsessed with it. I just can't get enough of it. Look at that. This is perfect. This is perfect for the summer. I am gonna definitely wear this a lot over the summer. It's just so cute. I love the glitter eyes. And this was all with this palette right here. This is the Honey Colourpop palette. And this is the look I created with it. And it's just really amazing. I just can't get enough of it. I definitely do recommend you guys to pick it up. I didn't play around a lot with the brown shades, which is this one here, this one, this one, this one, but I will off camera. And I did get a little bit of this one here. It was a little bit chalky and it did have a lot of fallout, but I don't mind. And that was the only issue with me. Other than that, everything else was perfect. I do have everything linked down below so you guys can check out what I'm wearing on the Z face. The grade that I'm going to give this palette, just like a little quick grade, is an A. So this is definitely a must. I love all Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. and you can't go wrong with them. They are very affordable. They do have a new palette every week, I feel like, but it's okay. They are great quality and you can't go wrong with Colourpop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.